Across borders now, where Ghana will launch a domestic debt exchange in a move that intends to help restore macroeconomic stability and end the West African country's worst economic crisis in a generation. The Ghanaian government is in talks with the International Monetary Fund for a support program to relieve its debt distress. Here are the details for this and other stories making headlines across the continent.
Under the domestic debt exchange in Ghana, local bonds will be exchanged for new ones maturing in the year 2027, 2029, 2032 and 2037, and their annual coupon will be set at 0% in 2023, 5% in 2024 and 10% from 2025 until maturity. The local cedi currency has plummeted more than 50% against the dollar this year, while Ghana's central bank hiked its main lending rates to 27% last Monday after inflation hit a 21-year peak in October. The domestic debt swap offer by Ghana aims to ease a crunch in payments as the government negotiates an IMF bailout during its worst economic crisis in decades. The West African state is in talks for up to $3 billion in credit from the IMF to help shore up its public finances. Elsewhere, Rwanda is set to benefit from a liberalized air transport market dubbed the Single Africa Air Transport Market, an initiative aimed at creating a single unified air transport market in Africa. The plan could eventually generate $4.2 billion in additional gross domestic product, 600,000 new jobs, a 27% reduction in fares, and make a contribution to United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Rwanda says participating in the pilot plan is an opportunity to pave the way for connectivity or other access to African airlines. Finally, Safe Boda, a ride and car company, has noted it will exit Nigeria to concentrate on the Ugandan market, which it says is more profitable and generates significant cash flow. Uganda is a huge market with more than 1.5 million rides happening every day in Kampala alone. Safe Boda recently secured funding from the Yamaha Motor Company to focus on enhancing its core transportation offer in Uganda after exiting from Nigeria.